Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're good. Welcome my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Today we visit one of the farms near to us. Okay, we want to try to buy some kind of fruits, and we want to see how much we're gonna spend. By the way, I was trying to spend 1,000 Kenyan shilling, which is $7.7, and we want to see how much pounds is gonna be. How much pounds is gonna be? 1,000 Kenyan shilling, which is $7.7. Thank you. Got it. I was trying to show you, like, you have sugar canes here, as you see, and there is maize corn, that there is a shugum there, sagam or something like that. Okay, yeah, so guys, we have, like, here you see sugar canes all over, bro. Yeah, they have a lot of sugar canes, and we wanna try that too. Yeah, welcome guys. Welcome. Yeah, so guys, here we started. So if you wanna see, like, how much we're gonna spend on this food. While you are in the farm, you can still eat because it's free. I don't think it's just free. Yeah, so we're still here. We have so many oranges. We have so many oranges. Lord. Can say this farm we have a lot of fruits. We have grapes. On the other hand, we have lemon. This one is orange, as you see, but we still have lemons. Lemon fruits. Look how big is it. Also, we have so many kind of fruits here in this farm, and I can say it's cheap. It's not that much expensive. Yeah. Again, it's rainy season. Yeah, we still eat it. Yeah, so we are finished. This is like, I don't know how much it's gonna be, but let's go. It's raining, you see. It started raining. Yeah, it was raining, so we finished it. That is the farm. That's the farm. So now this is the scale room. Yeah. So we're gonna see how much we're gonna pay. It is 15.7 kgs pounds, you know. So we're gonna see like how much we're gonna pay. So this is you see, it is 15 pounds times 60 shilling Kenya. All that 15 pounds is a 900 Kenyan shilling, which is around $8. You see, it is around $8. That's very cheap.